Hey, you are what? Jimmy do trad with me? Are you going to finish that croissant? Not on some good. Hey, what's that you are eating? Oh, it's just a croissant. Did I say something? I think he wants your croissant. Give it to me! What? No, it's mine. I shouldn't have done that.